Hey, it's Yasir from Scalify.com, and I saw you visited our free Facebook 101 training, but you didn't actually sign up. Look, I get it. You're probably thinking, I don't have enough time for this, or I've already tried paid ads, but they're just too expensive. Well, I encourage you to silence those nagging voices and take the free Facebook Ads 101 course today. And here's why. By taking the 101 course, you will get a couple of key things. Number one, you will learn how to plan out a marketing strategy to help you turn cold prospects into repeat buyers. Number two, you will learn how to correctly set up your Facebook and Instagram ads in a way that maximizes your results. Number three, you will understand how to track performance and optimize your ads in order to maintain a positive return on investment. And number four, you will have access to an active community of small business owners just like yourself who are willing to answer your questions and help you. Your competitors are probably targeting you with paid ads every day, and you are wondering how in the world are they able to make it? The answer is simple. They have a good strategy and you don't. We've helped over 10,000 businesses grow with Facebook ads using the very same strategy that I'm about to share with you here. This course will not stay online for a long time, so click the link here on this ad to watch the course for free before we take it down. I'll see you on the other side.